In a move to increase efficiency, improve staff flexibility and significantly rationalise its office estate, Basildon Council has implemented a desktop virtualisation solution from Citrix. Underpinning a transformation project, savings have topped £2 million, with tangible improvements on the service delivered to its local citizens.
Our IT structure had to be re-evaluated due to quite a significant accommodation restructure. We had a building in close vicinity to this one that had to be closed down in order for us to make quite significant savings of £500,000 a year. So in order to do that, we had to fit in the staff that were based in that building as well as the staff in this building. So we needed quite desperately to look at flexible working as an option.
All of us are going to face quite significant challenges, financial challenges, with rising customer expectations. So the needs out there, the challenge is how are we going to meet them within a financial envelope which is going to be much reduced. I believe ICT is going to play a big part to give us maximum flexibility in our transformation journey.
The solution that we went for with Citrix was the Platinum solution for ZenApp, which gave us the whole suite of products that we required. So not only did it allow us to deliver applications in a virtual way, so that every application was delivered the same, but it also gave us the full remote working solution. It also gave us a tool called EdgeSight, which is a fantastic performance monitoring tool.
I think Citrix, if I say, without getting into technical, I'm not a technical person, but to me, from my point of view, gave us the flexibility and the ability to be able to use the biggest resource we have is our people in a flexible manner. And an example of that would be when we rationalized our accommodation some 2 years ago on a 4-year business plan of borrowing money and saving 2 million by co-locating colleagues within this building, but giving us a flexibility as to where they sat, put people in different places. You could arrange things around, but you've got a backbone which is supported by Citrix, which allows you to do that. So it's a good way of getting a win-win for everybody, the customer, the staff, and more importantly, it saves the bottom line.
As a support services manager for revenues and benefits, is an extremely diverse department, and having staff over a number of floors has meant that it's been extremely useful for me to have the applications available wherever I actually log in, and it's enabled home using on certain occasions, and it's also enabled me to work at various locations, which is key.
The end result for the citizens of Basildon really is lower costs and a more efficient service from every corner of the council really. All services benefit from the use of Citrix. They all use it, from the frontline staff to the back office staff. So across the board there are cost savings which result obviously in lower council tax for the citizen of the district.
The desktop virtualization project, in my view, is going to be a leading factor in terms of how we design services, how we co-locate services, how we work in partnership with organizations to realize some of those potential savings and improve efficiency, but also customer reach. So I think we have created a platform for future growth and built ourselves some flexibility in terms of how we want to design services in the future.
Working with Citrix was excellent. It was a really good project to work on for the whole team. We had very good communications with Citrix themselves, and they helped us and supported us throughout the implementation, although were very flexible with us because we needed to be flexible with the way that we delivered the project.
We are looking forward to bringing in a home working policy which will deliver great efficiencies. It'll also provide a reliable service for people to log in from home. They can access their applications anywhere, delivering the service as if they were working in the building.
Now we need to look further into the thin client offering, further virtualisation of our desktops, and where else we can take the product really. There's lots going on within Citrix, and we want to make the best use of everything that they've got to offer really.